Alright, looky here. This is what I got in the mail today from Steve Gutierrez and RC Boat Company in Florida. This is the Lexan windshield. We'll go up right up inside of the canopy there, the cowl. Also got the proper engine shroud that goes up inside of here, like so. And the engine tray, or the tray for the exhaust. So all of that is the actual stuff I've been waiting for. I was planning on using a Phil Thomas, but I'm glad I got the actual parts that are needed. The only thing is, this tray is 5 inches wide. This Extreme boat has a 4 3/8 engine rail, so I'm gonna have to cut that down a little bit. No big deal.